Hi everyone, so I'm back with a quick video. I'd been asked, I showed a video the other day of all the antique and vintage books that I got, and I've got some like previous to that I've purchased, and I was asked if I would consider like making some bundles. So I've put together 5 little bundles. This is just one, all the others are over here, all named, and that's well, not named, numbered I should say. So this is 1, that's 2, they're all slightly different, but there is pictures that are going to be on my coffee shop so that you can pick the relevant one. So like I said, there's 5 of them. I've kept them so that they are under obviously a certain weight so that it's cheaper to ship, whether that be abroad or like domestic here in the UK. So it all measures, I've packaged one up and done everything to make sure that it'll all be under 100 grams, so that is basically cheap as chips. You will get 42 pages, and what I will do is round about now I will put a little link on the screen where you can click and you can see the books that I got the other day. I did get them for free, but they are marvelous books. They date back to some of them not 1830. I think it was 1831 was the oldest one, and then I've added some of the other like vintage book pages that I have, well, books that I have. They're like maths and algebra and stuff like that, so, and they go back to like 1960, so you know, yeah, I think it was 1962. So they are old, like they are all antique, vintage, I don't know. Anyway, I'll do a quick little show of these. Like I said, 42 pages. So with some of them, I've kept them like that so that if you wanted to use them like in a journal, you can just reinforce the spine, or not the spine, but the page there and pop that in. But if you don't, you can just rip it out. Some pages are not like that. So this one, I can't remember what book this is from now, but like I said, you can go back and like that's just one. So there's 5 pages of that. So let's set that there. Then we've got these that is from an elementary algebra book, and I believe that was 1960 something. So there's again double pages if you want to keep them, to put them in you know, your vintage style journals. So you get 3, which is 6, which is 12 sides, am I right? I can't remember now. Then this, I don't know what that book this is out of now, but it is, I was going to say it's 4 and it's not. It's just the writing's that small, I can't read it. Is that? So there's 2 pages of that. And then there's this. So got a little bit of the book binding. It's so thin. Like, it's amazing, these books. Somebody actually said in that video, like, it's amazing how the books have lasted that long. Because they don't make things to last these days. But back in the day, things were made to last. So we've got that page. There's dictionary pages. This one I think is a Spanish dictionary, Spanish-English dictionary. So there's like 5 pages. I kept them together as well. That's a single page, and then that's a double page if you want to keep it like that. And then here we've got this one out of the Bible that I got. And like I said, I wouldn't normally, but you know, like tear into a Bible, but it's not personal to me or my family or anything like that, and it was, if I hadn't picked it up, it was going to go to the dump. So there's that, and there's obviously illustrations in that as well. Then here we've got some more algebra. That is actually called The Theory of Functions, this book, and again that was like 1960 something, and I've kept that like that. I love all the like all that, the formulas. Then here is, how many pages is that? 5 music pages, and this is from a Welsh music book, hymn book. I'm not sure if it's hymns or not, because I don't read Irish. Is it Irish Gaelic? I don't know if it's called Irish Gaelic. I don't read Welsh, Yvonne, Welsh. Wasn't talking about Ireland. Yes, this is not Irish, it is Welsh. Right, onto these pages here. You've got, these are the ones that had the gold on the edges. So, and these go back to like either I think this was the early 1900s, like 1901 or something like that. But like obviously each bundle of the pages will be slightly different. But what I have done is in each one I took a page out the book, and it's got like a page protector. So in each one there is one of these, and you will see that in the photographs where they're numbered like 1 to 5, because there's 5 kits. Each one's got a different like illustration there. And this is the story of an old English mansion, and this was from the book The London Society, I think it was called. That was really old, and that book is literally fallen to bits. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing that little video, then yeah, I will have already put it on the screen for you to go look at. So there's 42 pages of these antique and vintage book pages. I'm not sending them with a paper clip, because obviously that will add, because they're quite heavy, that will add to the weight, and then it will take it over, and then the shipping jumps up by like £2 and £3 or something. So we have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. So 5 available. I will put the links below. You can pick which bundle you want actually on the listing. There isn't 5 separate listings. There's one listing with the variations on there. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.